Welcome to Soul Haven. Today's meditation is about mindfulness, a word you've probably heard before. Mindfulness simply means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. So much of our stress comes from living in the past or the future, replaying old stories or worries about what's next. Mindfulness helps you come back home to this moment where peace lives. Find a comfortable position, sit upright but relaxed, or lie down. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Feel the ground beneath you supporting your body. In this practice, we'll notice three things. Number 1, the breath. Number 2, the sensations in the body. And number 3, the sounds around you. Your mind will wander. That's normal. The practice is gently returning to the present, again and again. Bring attention to your breath. Notice the inhale, the exhale. If the mind wanders, gently return. Now, expand awareness to your body. Notice sensations, warmth, coolness, pressure, or tingling. No need to change them, just observe. Next, notice the sounds around you, maybe distant noises or the quiet of the room. Let them come and go without labeling them. Shift your awareness like this, between breath, body, and sound. Each time you return, you're strengthening mindfulness. This simple practice can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and bring more joy into everyday moments. By being here now, you give yourself the gift of presence. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Notice how you feel. More calm, more aware, more present. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry mindfulness into the rest of your day.